Yo, what up, Block fam? So this camera here that you're seeing, this is Insta360. One of the questions that we get pretty often on this channel is what equipment that we're using, because, you know, there's other creatives out there that want to know what we're using to get the quality that we're getting. What are we using to do rollers? What are we using to get like B-roll shots, all that. So we figured we'd give you guys a video that's kind of insightful. Justin James.
Let's go.
For those of you that don't know, Justin James, background heavy in media. So he does all the editing and like a lot of the social media for Blockhead. It's a very like tech savvy person, right? If you guys like geeking out on new gear, this is one of those things where we're gonna kind of go through some of this stuff and then we're gonna show you guys like a lot of the quality that we can get from it. So if you're looking to do some motovlogging or get some rollers. So yeah, we're gonna get to unboxing this stuff and showing you guys what we can do with it. If y'all are interested in any of this stuff, check out the links down in the description below. If you have any questions on any of it, drop a comment, let us know. Answer to the best of our knowledge. We've got the Action Invisible Selfie Stick. We've got a memory card, 128 gig. We've got the heavy duty clamp, the chin mount, so motovloggy stuff there. Another heavy duty clamp, so that can clamp onto parts of your bike, parts of a car. We've got the GPS preview remote, so if you're doing rollers and you've got somebody maybe like in a car or something getting footage of you, maybe they can reference that. I don't know, we'll see. It's our first time using it. We've got a mic adapter, a quick reader, lens cap, vertical horizontal mount, and the actual cameras over here. So we've got the 8K AI powered action cam, the Insta360 AcePro 2, which is the camera that I'm using right now. Let's go ahead and we'll do a quick snappy snap, unbox all this stuff. All right, there we go. Insta360 AcePro 2, which is exactly what we're filming on right now. Cool thing about this one is you can flip up this back screen. So if you're doing like selfie mode, you basically just bloop, flips up just like that. Well, it's pretty sleek, pretty small. It's got some weight to it. Video settings on this thing are totally insane. 8K AI powered. Justin was actually mentioning recording in super low light.
Yeah, they have an option that says like pure video. It shoots like phenomenal night footage. So maybe we'll have to test that out in the future too.
But we'll be sure to drop some night footage right here. In addition to the camera that I'm using right now, which is the Insta360 AcePro 2, AcePro 2, been using this thing for a while now, and we are freaking loving it. We've got two of them. We keep them on rotation. We got a number of batteries, no overheating issues. We sure to kind of give like a long-term review, but these cameras have been absolutely rocking it. We do have a new addition from the Insta360 family, and this is the Insta360 X5. So this is an actual 360 camera, and there is a ton of features baked into this thing. It's actually kind of incredible how much technology they have put into this thing. So I'm gonna go for a quick rip. We are currently up in Ohio visiting some friends, working on our van, basically gutted it, building out the entire interior. We've got the Grum here, like laid under there for a nap. And Alan is kind enough to lend me his Lowrider ST. So we're gonna take this thing out for a quick rip. One of the things I absolutely love about this camera, the quality of it is just next level. And then also the angles that you can get with this thing are crazy. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You can mount this thing basically anywhere there's a bar clamp. You've got a couple different mounting options as well. So for this, I'm gonna angle it forward on the bars, and we're gonna extend this out. Make sure we really tighten that so it doesn't move too much. And then to lock it, you just kind of twist it to the right. So for this, it doesn't matter which direction it's pointed, so you hit the on button, that turns on, and then you just hit the record button. All right, let's go take a rip on this thing. So the new Insta360 X5 is here. Honestly, it's a massive leap forward from the X4. Let's break down what's new and why it matters. The X5 has 144% larger sensors, so the low light performance on this thing is amazing. It has a triple AI chip, pure video mode. You can see everything super clearly despite it being so dark at night. It has 5.7K 60 FPS active HDR, which gives you crisp and vibrant footage. They say that the X5 has a battery life of up to 185 45 minutes with an endurance mode. And improved heat dissipation, honestly, I haven't had it overheat on me yet. The X5 also adds a built-in wind guard and improved audio algorithms for clearer, more immersive sound. So with the X5, you get better image quality, tougher lenses, longer battery life, easier editing, great low light, recording everything all at once. It's a crazy upgrade from its predecessor and an entirely new experience. The lens durability, which you guys will see here in just a second, if you drop it, scratch it, crack it, it is replaceable. So if what happened to me happens to you guys and you end up scratching your lens, Insta360 does make a lens kit that you can purchase to replace them. It's a pretty easy and straightforward process, which you guys can see here. Be sure to include the link for that down in the description below as well. And then it'll look good as new. Guys, I also forgot to include low light performance on this camera is crazy. So they have this mode that they call pure video. I just leave our camera in this mode at all times, just in case I end up using it during a low light, environment. I'm gonna take this Busa for a quick rip up and down the street, just so you guys can see what the low light performance looks like on this thing. That's just a real quick example of like some of the low light on this thing. I've never used a camera that has the low light capabilities that Insta360 cameras have. So the X5 as well as the AcePro 2. Like the stuff that's in those like shadows and low light areas, but then also like the really bright areas, it's very, very well balanced. I also forgot to include it's currently 11 o'clock at night, just for reference. Let's get back to the non-dark part of the video. The footage that you guys just saw, we reviewed after editing it, and I think it came out super sick. I'm a big fan of the 360 footage. I've actually been using the 360 since the X2, which is this one here. Didn't have as big a like LCD screen on it, so there you go. I actually used that back in Sturgis in like Pan Am days, like whenever the Pan Am first came out, and I always thought it was cool. Editing was a little bit of a different workflow process, but they've done a lot of updates to the plugins.
Yeah.
How's the editing side of it?
It's a lot easier now. We don't work with 360 footage often, but so what I had to do was go to the Insta360 website. I downloaded a plugin that went right into Adobe Premiere, dragged the plugin onto the clip. You select what you recorded it at, like 1080, 4K, whatever it is, and then it gives you a bunch of menus to make it easy. You could do panning, you could tilt, you could zoom in, you could zoom out, you could do the tiny world stuff, which kind of would look like this. It's super easy.
So yeah, if you guys are worried about the editing flow process on the back end, they've come a long ways since the X2. All right, there you guys have it. That is the equipment that we've been using for the last couple months to get a lot of the shots that we've been getting for the channel. So if you guys are interested in, filming your rides, capturing that content, getting rollers of your friends, other people that you're riding with, sharing that, this stuff is high enough resolution that you could export it and then frame it, put it on a wall for like great memories as well. So Insta360 really pushing boundaries here. Whenever I first started, and this is gonna make me feel old, but whenever I first started motovlogging, that was 8 years ago. The camera that I was using, it was very, very low quality, super grainy. Now, man, the low light modes are amazing. The frame rates are amazing. The color grading right off the cameras is amazing. You don't even really have to like color grade that much afterwards if you don't want to, but they still do give you that option if you want to capture in like more of a raw format. It's been an absolute pleasure to experience like the quality of this brand. We hadn't really used them before, but like I said, we've been using them for like the last 3 to 4 months, and I've just been incredibly impressed. And then this thing, boop, that's comes in handy quite a bit while we're shooting. Anyways, that's the info on what we've been using around here. If you guys are interested in any of it, check out the link down in the description below. I'll be sure to link through to all of the gear. If we have any coupon codes or promo stuff from Insta360, I'll be sure to include it down in the description as well. Big thanks to Insta360 for the collaboration. We greatly appreciate it. I hope this has given you guys some insight into how we get all of the footage and deliver the quality of the content that we are to you guys. So if you're interested in doing the same, there you go. That's some of our equipment that we use. Don't forget some extra batteries, even though the batteries on these last a long time. If you're out and about, you're running around at an event or something like that, definitely recommend keeping a couple extra batteries in your pocket, although the ones on the X5 last a long time. Also would recommend picking up some large micro SD cards, just in case you fill one up while you're shooting, throw another one in there, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, feel free to drop them down in the comments below and we will answer to the best of our knowledge based on our experience with these. If you guys did enjoy it, do us a huge favor, hit the like button, lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job. If you guys aren't subscribed, you want to see more motorcycle content, more tech content, gear review content, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon also so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Till next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.